Hello and welcome to the Kevin T channel. Let me scoot my camera back a little bit. So, well, I may have to duck too, but then I got my. I decided to do something different. A knife, not just any knife. A Star Trek Klingon knife known as a Daqtagh. Don't ask me for the actual spelling. It wouldn't be worth it. You can Google it. But it comes with one nice little feature. Two extra sharp blades. Now, this knife is known in the Klingon world for self-defense or in honor rituals, where if you wanted to say you're an honorable man, you would take it and move it across your hand like that. Hence blood on your hand, but I'm not crazy enough to slice my hand, considering I don't know where the tendons are and all that. And Klingon anatomy is totally different than human anatomy. So anyhow, tonight I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm actually going to take it apart. So it takes 2 Allen wrenches of the same size, because the bolts are different, are locked into each other. So we take one side, hold it together, take the other one, hold that in place, and let's start taking it apart. Here's one. One blade. I'll lay that up against the bigger Allen wrench. That way I don't get grease all over this table. So let's do that again for the second. There. And now we'll have the correct spelling for you listed on the comments description section below. And you can probably see it's a little black. That's because, well, I was using it to stir up a fireplace. Since I had no hot poker, it would only be logical to use something to poke at. Last time this thing was taken apart was probably about, let's see, I got this in 2000 at a flea market for about 110 bucks. Not bad. Not bad at all. And then this I'm just going to leave firmly planted in, because if I take out the rest, I don't know if I can get it back in. Yes. So that's basically what it is. And then there's 2 bolts right here on the front and back end that you would remove, and then this whole entire blade would come out. So that's taking apart a Klingon Knife. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.